Seryoso kami. Ang mahulog kami. Tulong, tulong. Everyone, say good morning. Good morning. We're here in Rouge Hill. So a friend of Daddy and his family invited us. So andito na kami. So papasok kami doon, somewhere doon. But we're waiting muna sa kasamahan pa namin.
Mommy.
Yes.
The children has their own
Car.
no, their own.
Do this.
What's that?
So look, see?
Ah,
You open it and then you put it in your mitten and then your hand is warm. You want to try?
You want to try?
Okay, it's a little bit hot.
Okay, we're gonna put it in your
You're gonna
hand.
feel it.
See,
Feels
you're
so
gonna put it in your
warm. Okay,
hand.
wait. Don't get used to it
Yes.
because we're used to this.
Or we will be sorry.
Come.
Hi everyone, so that is a frozen pond. Frozen pond. It's snowing while we are having a trail. Grabe.
Down this one so
It's
I
very
don't go
slippery.
in
Can you
here.
join my vlog?
Okay.
Hi, this is Pretty Trisha. And she English a lot. She English a lot.
All the time, actually.
Yes! Natutumba kami kasi it's so slippery, oh, you know. So walk like a penguin.
Right. Act like a penguin.
It's slippery. Then, grabe. Oh, it's yes, it's a good idea. And then
I don't think this is that free.
yan, dahan-dahan lang tayo. Pinupulan. Parang medyo pinanggalan. Dahan-dahan. Mahirap to. Magkahirap-hirap. I saw him. I captured you. Jason. Yeah. Seryoso kami. Ang dahan-dahan. Mahulog kami. Tulong. And here comes my hero. Thank you. Invert promise. Narnia. Welcome to Narnia. This is Narnia. Welcome to Narnia. No. Ayun ang deer! There's the deer! Ah, it's the deer. Found that boy. They're there. They show up again. Really?
Orchard said it was.
Oh!
It said it was 2 kilometers one way. So, but you know what?
Oh. Hey, careful, careful. Kaya nga, di ba? Fearless. Ganun talaga sila sa edad niya. Fearless. Chocolate.
Wanna go this way?
The river or in the river. Parating nasa Canada. Kakatuwa.
We'll look for one along the way. See?
No, not this, not that way. This way, this way, this way. No, that's not. No, that's the other people. Come on. We're going there. Hang up.
That's good.
Someone fell. Someone. Up. Good morning. Hi, doggy. Hello. God is the creator of incredible beauty and all that He envisioned and desired to create. He also desired to share. Each day is a new masterpiece, a new wonder, a new memory.
Can you hand out snacks to everybody?
She documents everything.
Wow! Thank you! Come here, come here.
There.
Thank you so much for...
So much.
Do you watch my vlog? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you! Thank you! Thank you, JC!
Look, thank you.
Thank you, Duke! Thank you
you
for
so
the
much.
time!
It was so much fun.
Yes, bye! Oh, thank you so much for this time for a nice family. And it rained. I hope you had fun as we had fun. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.